Do you want longer, thicker, and healthier hair without spending a fortune? You're about to discover the ultimate hair growth recipe that's all natural, super easy to make, and actually works. I've tried it myself and the results have been amazing. My hair was once damaged because of chemicals. I was adding relaxers, dyes, and all that to my hair. But when I discovered natural ingredients, I was able to grow my hair thicker, fuller, and much more healthier. And on this channel, I share with you all my DIYs that I have used and have worked for me with you. So if you are serious about growing your hair, make sure you join us by subscribing. If you are ready for today's recipe and to transform your hair, keep watching and let's get started. Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here on this channel, as I said, we share DIY recipes that can help you grow your hair. And today I'm sharing something super exciting. We are making a DIY hair growth serum that's packed with powerful ingredients to nourish your scalp, strengthen your hair, and boost growth. This recipe is perfect for anyone struggling with hair thinning, hair loss, or just looking for healthier, shinier hair. So to start with, let's talk about the ingredients. I started by boiling some hot water. This is coconut oil. I'm going to use organic coconut oil for this hair growth serum. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that deeply nourish the hair and prevent breakage. It also helps improve the overall texture of the hair. So I measured about a tablespoon of coconut oil, and once I have it in the bowl, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do next. But you know how we do it here. If you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we share a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what I did was I put my coconut oil in the hot water. As soon as I put in the hot water, I turn off the stove and allow the hot water to melt the coconut oil. And this is the liquid form of the coconut oil. I'm going to set it aside and introduce my next ingredient. This is organic castor oil. Castor oil will condition your hair, strengthen your hair strands to prevent it from breakages. It is rich in vitamins and this will increase circulation to the scalp, helping to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss. If you are someone with hair thinning, hair shedding, hair loss, make sure you incorporate castor oil into your hair care routine because this can be the game changer for you. Alright, so you might be guessing what this is. These are essential oils, different kinds of essential oils. So I'm showing you this to let you know that you can use any essential oil of your choice. But in today's recipe, I'm going to use lavender essential oil as well as my rosemary essential oil. These two essential oils are really powerful and it is going to add to the fragrance of this recipe as well as increase the benefits of this recipe. So let's take lavender essential oil for instance. It is known to stimulate hair follicles. Lavender oil boosts circulation and improve faster hair growth. Also, it can treat dandruff and other scalp issues. Also, when you take rosemary essential oil, this oil is amazing for encouraging hair growth by improving scalp circulation and preventing hair thinning. So as I said, when you add these essential oils to this serum, it is going to maximize its benefits. Now let's mix everything together. Take your small glass bowl or any container of your choice. You start by adding 2 tablespoons of your coconut oil. Once I have my coconut oil, I'm going to add my next ingredient, which is the castor oil. I'm also going to add about 2 tablespoons of my castor oil. Castor oil is a thick oil, but it's perfect for locking in moisture and promoting growth. Adding it to this recipe will keep your hair moisturized, strengthen your hair strands, and condition your hair to prevent it from breakages. So once I had those 2 oils mixed in together very well, the next thing I'm going to do is to add my lavender essential oil. So I'm going to add about 10 tablespoons of the lavender essential oil, as well as about 10 tablespoons of my rosemary oil. Now that we've put all the ingredients together in one bowl, we're going to make sure we mix it very well so they are all mixed in. Once you're done mixing everything together, you have your very own hair growth serum. So now that we are done with the serum, let's talk about how to apply it. First, make sure your hair is clean and dry and your scalp is free from product buildup. I like to apply the serum at night before bed to give it time to work while I sleep. So this is how you're going to apply it. Take a small amount of the oil mixture and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Spend about 5 minutes massaging in circular motion. This is key. The massaging not only helps to distribute the oils, but it also stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, which promotes growth. Once you've massaged the serum into your scalp, you can work it through the length of your hair, but focus on the roots. You can leave this on overnight, or if you are in a rush, just let it sit for about 30 minutes before washing it out. So you can do this treatment on your wash days, or for faster result, you can do this 2 times a week. This is one of the most effective and simplest DIY hair growth serum you can make at home. Trust me, your hair will thank you for this. If you try it out, be sure to let me know your result in the comments below. And if you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hair growth tips and tricks. Do not forget to share this video. Thank you for watching.